again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. You know what, Pen? I want to say the weather is changing, as you can see in the atmosphere. I want to make you a cucumber and ginger and lemon and honey juice today. You know what I mean? Let's kick off the spring like this kind of way. Alright guys, I love you all. So stay right there. Cucumber. 95% of the cucumber is what? Water. And the rest is just, you know what I mean, fiber and all them thing there. Anyway, let's kick it off. If you got a nice blender, ninja blender, but any kind of blender at home, this is all you're gonna do. Get your cucumber, wash it off. Once you wash off, get your ninja blender and cut up your cucumber. You get your knife and cut up your cucumber into some small pieces, alright? So I'm cutting up my cucumber into some small pieces like this. Nice one, as you can see. Cut the other one into half. So if you cut up your cucumber, the smaller it is the better for you. So that's why you see I'm cutting my one really small. Alright guys, I'm gonna do the other half. Nice one. And all I'm going to do is get a nice lovely chunk of piece of a ginger right here. And cut it up very small. Just like this, alright? Then I have half of a lemon. Simple, remove the skin from the lemon. Or if you got lime. And then what we're going to do, because I'm just going to do one thing, I'm just going to squeeze off about 2 tablespoons of honey in it like this. Lovely. And then I'm going to pour some water inside of it. Lovely and nice. Then I'm going to get my blender. Make sure I squeeze it tight. And all I'm going to do is blend this a couple minutes. Very easy. Perfect. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Remove it from the your blender. Once move it, just gonna make sure I switch off my blender and put this away. Alright guys, lovely and nice. Then what we're gonna do, open up just like this. And I'm going to strain it. So guys, it's an amazing recipe and I know you guys are gonna love this one. Cucumber. You know what, pet? This is the fresh, nice, lovely, fresh cucumber drink. That is amazing, guys. You know what I mean? And not only that, you can add a lot more stuff to it if you like. But I'm just keeping it simple. Some people have the fiber, but you know what I mean? Too much of the fiber doesn't good for you. So all you have to do is simple strain it. Just like what I'm doing right here. Nice one. Gonna pour the rest inside of it like this. You know what happened, guys, to be honest, for me personally, I love cucumber. You know what I mean? Cucumber have a lot of benefit and I'm encouraging you guys to eat cucumber every single day. So as you can see, exactly what's going on right here. Look at that. Oh my days. That is fantastic. All I'm going to do is get some ice, you know, because I'm always have ice, so pull up my glass with some lovely ice right here. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Then, oh my God, look at that. Yes, welcome to spring. Guys, this is amazing drink, guys, and all I'm going to do is cut a piece of fresh cucumber and you're good to go. Hopefully guys you just love this recipe. Please subscribe to Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We got a lot more recipes coming out. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo. Please subscribe, click in the bell, share the video and tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. All about natural juice guys. You can't go wrong and healthy recipe. So guys, thank you so much. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. One love from Chef Ricardo and stay tuned. We got a lot more recipes coming here.